Hello everybody, just a couple of quick things. First of all, twitch.tv/SeanGS, that's my Twitch account. If you go there in the next 20 minutes or so, you will find I'm probably live streaming. We're doing Feedback Friday, it's a thing, we do it every Friday. We take games made by you've seen it. You probably know what that is by now if you're subscribed or you're watching any of my videos. You probably know what that is. Anyway, the thing a lot of people don't necessarily know is how to get their games played, how to submit, and so on. Because y'all don't pay enough attention, but basically, if you go over to Livestream, you type !FAQ while I'm streaming, the little bot will give you all the info as well, but you get a link to a Google form that you fill out, and you fill out all the information about a game. You do that at the start of the stream. Submissions are only open for a brief window. At the start of the stream, we get about like 10 games in, and then we just sort of play them all like in a row. That's our current process. Open to iteration and improvement, of course, over time, but it's the best and fairest process I've found for doing it thus far. The other thing I want to talk about is it's Ludum Dare this weekend, as probably indicated by the title of this video or something like that. 48 hours to make a video game. It's stressful to even think about. I've done it several times before, and we're going to be doing it again. I wasn't sure if I was going to do it this time, but I figured, yeah, I kind of want to do it again. So joining for that, there'll be basically a live stream all weekend. Obviously not when I'm sleeping, and that's down to UK times and so on. It starts at about 11 o'clock tonight, where the theme will get announced, and I'll be like, that's the theme, huh? And then I'll probably go promptly to bed, and the next day we'll start working on the thing, and then it finishes Sunday at 11 p.m. again. So 48 hours from when the theme gets announced to make an entire game from scratch by myself. Yeah. So if you want to hang out for that, it might go well, it might go badly, it might go somewhere in between. It usually goes somewhere in between. Sometimes goes very well. But if you want to see me try and make a game entirely from scratch in 48 hours, now is the weekend that you can watch me do that. And after I've spent weeks and weeks and weeks giving you all criticism and various aspects on your games, you'll get to see me make a game and make all of those same mistakes and more. So look forward to that. Thanks, hope to see you guys there, and I'll catch you next time.